Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
The Xiaomi Redmi 6A features a 5.45-inch IPS LCD HD Plus display which exhibits a screen resolution of 720 x 1440 pixels. The smartphone gets its required power from a 3000 mAh battery, which is not enough to deliver sufficient backup. The device comes with black, blue, gold, silver and white color options. The Xiaomi Redmi 6A is armed with a 12MP primary camera which can capture images of 4000 x 3000 pixels. Moreover, it can also record quality videos. In terms of connectivity, the smartphone comes with a lot of options such as 4G with VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, mobile hotspot, micro USB and Bluetooth. The Xiaomi Redmi 6A houses a 16GB inbuilt storage which can be increased up to 128GB by using a memory card. Under the hood, a 2GHz quad-core processor is present that manages the overall performance of the system. Moreover, it is further accompanied by a 2GB RAM. The Xiaomi Redmi 6A is a nice budget-friendly smartphone which is loaded with a lot of strong features. The performance is well in terms of handling multiple tasks. Also, the cameras are good enough to capture quality images. However, a better battery backup would have made it a perfect option to go for.
Thank you.